English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, affluent, fascinate, magnetic. Affluent. Affluent is an adjective. C1 learners usually know affluent. Affluent describes a person or people who have a lot of money. Here are some examples. He is an affluent person. It is a very affluent neighbourhood. Some nations are more affluent than others. Fascinate. Fascinate is a verb. C1 learners usually know fascinate. To fascinate is to interest someone a lot. Here are some examples. Learning foreign languages fascinates her. What fascinates me nowadays is the way they film stunts. Sailors and ocean sailing fascinate him. Magnetic. Magnetic is an adjective. C1 learners usually know magnetic. Magnetic refers to magnetism and having the properties of a magnet. Here are some examples. It sticks on the fridge as it is magnetic. With his magnetic personality, he had many followers. It seems to have no magnetic properties at all. Now, write some of your own sentences with affluent, fascinate and magnetic. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.